Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to program your BMW X7 garage door opener. This process is straightforward and will integrate your garage door with your vehicle's home link system. To begin, make sure your BMW is in accessory mode. Then, locate the 3 home link buttons on your rearview mirror. Press and hold the 2 outside buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This clears any previous programming, preparing your system for a fresh setup. Now, let's pair your handheld garage door remote with your BMW. Select one of the 3 home link buttons you wish to program. Position your garage door remote control 1 to 2 inches away from the home link buttons on your rearview mirror. Simultaneously press and hold the button on your garage remote and your chosen home link button. Continue holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash, then to a solid green light. Once solid, release both buttons. Many modern garage door systems utilize rolling codes for enhanced security. If your garage door does not respond after the previous step, you likely have a rolling code system. You'll need to interact directly with your garage door opener motor. Climb a ladder to locate the Learn or Smart button on the motor unit itself. This button is often found near the antenna wire or light cover. Press and quickly release this button. The indicator light on the motor will usually illuminate, giving you about 30 seconds to return to your vehicle. With the Learn button activated on your garage door opener, quickly return to your BMW. Within the 30-second window, press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds. Release it, then press and hold it again for 2 seconds. Repeat this one more time for a total of 3 presses. Your garage door should now respond, opening, or closing. Congratulations! Your BMW X7 home link system is now successfully programmed and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.